As any eager traveler can attest, holding a valid passport is the critical first step to seeing the world. But if you spend too much time without traveling, you may lose detail on where you left this important document. Got your passport stolen or lost? I'm here to help. I'm Dalma, your iVisa travel expert, and in this video, I'm going to explain how to replace a lost or stolen passport step by step. I will also share some tips on how to speed up the process if you have a trip in the next coming weeks. So let's dive in and get you that new passport. First of all, are you sure you lost your passport? Before you do anything, have a thorough look for it. Make sure you're looking in all your drawers. Because just imagine how silly it would be if you just find your passport hidden like under your socks or something. But if you're sure you've definitely lost your passport, then follow these steps and get a new passport yourself. But just before you do it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and turn on your notifications so you're always up to date with this interesting travel content. So, how to get a new passport when you lost yours or got it stolen. Step number 1. Report your lost or stolen passport to the relevant authorities. There are 3 ways to do this if you're in the US. You can do it online, completing the form DS64 at this link right here. Don't worry, I also left it in the description below. Selecting the option lost or stolen passport. B, the second way is by calling this number right here. Or 3, you can do it by mail by downloading the DS64 form, filling it out, and sending it off to the US Department of State, Consular Lost and Stolen Passport Unit. Now, it's important for you to know that once a passport has been reported as lost or stolen, it's immediately invalidated and cannot be used for travel. And it cannot be revalidated. So if you find your passport after this step, you can return it to the unit we mentioned before, or you can simply destroy it. Step number 2, apply for a new passport. Since you've lost your passport, you cannot apply for a passport renewal. You are required to apply for a replacement passport in person, just as first-time applications, which means that you will have to submit the DS11 form as well as the DS64 form. This form can be submitted online by visiting this page, link in description, or you can print it and complete it by hand. If you do this, make sure you use black ink and write as legibly as possible. Also, do not sign the application at home because you will be asked to sign the form in front of the acceptance agent. Step number 3, gather your supporting documents. These documents include evidence of U.S. citizenship. It can be a certified copy of your birth certificate, a consular report of birth abroad, or a certificate of naturalization. Proof of identity, meaning your driver's license or your social security card. Forms DS11 and DS64, and a recent passport valid photo. And this is where we can help you. If you're not sure on what to do to take a valid passport photo, simply visit ivisa.com/photos and we'll help you through the process of getting the perfect photo for your passport. 100% online and directly from home. You'll get a perfect photo just like that. Step number 4, visit an application acceptance facility. You must present all the documents along with the completed DS11 and DS64 forms to an authorized acceptance agent at an application acceptance facility. Passport offices are often located in post offices, county and municipal government offices, and public libraries. To look for an application acceptance facility, you can visit this link. I got you. Just left it in the description. Now an acceptance agent will examine your documents and overall application. An oath will be administered to you, and then you will be asked to sign the application. Step 5, wait for your new passport to arrive. Due to COVID-19, applications are taking a little bit longer, but you can expect your passport to arrive within 4 to 6 weeks. However, be prepared to wait up to 14 weeks. You can also ask for an expedited service if you're traveling soon. Now, if you lost your passport or got it stolen outside the US, you'll need to visit your nearest US embassy and they will help you solve this problem in person. Remember, the validity of a US passport is 10 years. So after that period, you will have to renew your document. And just like getting your passport stolen, this procedure can be long and painful. But as usual, we can also help you with that. Simply go to ivisa.com/passport-renewal-United-States, and in just 5 minutes, we will prepare everything for you. Our passport renewal service includes a passport renewal kit with everything you need to get your new passport without any hassle. Just sign the documents, go to your nearest mailbox, and wait for your new document to arrive at home. Yes, it's really as simple as that. Why? Because at ivisa.com, our main concern is getting the stress out of applying for travel documents. So we do all the hard work for you. We make sure there are no mistakes in your application for your travel documents. This way, you can actually focus on the fun part, which is enjoying your trip. I'm Dalma, your cool travel expert, and I really hope that this video kind of made you see the light at the end of the tunnel after losing your passport. So if you liked it, hit the like button below and subscribe for more useful travel content. You can also leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll get back to you. Wait, I need to do this right. ASAP. I'll see you in the next video. Safe travels.